Well, this time of year, we're all getting our gardens ready, we're getting our patios ready, and so why not come out to Coastal Farm and Ranch, where I am today with Jess. And Jess, you really have a full service store here. You have everything for our lifestyle, from farm to ranch to garden.
No, we really do. And you know, most of the time, it's funny, people see farm and ranch in the name, and they think, oh, well, they're just gonna have cow food and pig food and, you know, Wrangler jeans or something. But you know what? We're so much more than that. You know, like we talked about today, we saw chickens in the store. We have everything you need for chickens. But also, we're in the garden center. I mean, we have a wide variety of plants, from vegetables to perennials, annual stuff to make it look good. And not only that, but we carry grills, tables,
It's
chairs.
beautiful.
Everything you need to throw that party, you know, in your summer, in your backyard.
That is so true, and really the staff here is wonderful to talk with and help us out. You have everything that we could use. You have tools and even like sloggers and things like that for us, so we're ready to do that gardening.
Oh yes, and not only ready to do the gardening, but ready if you want to build that new patio. You know, we have all the tools you need to get out there and dig it and make it all nice, and then, you know, be ready to entertain and serve people on your back door.
Jess, we've all heard that phrase these days about farm to table, and really this is the place to come because Coastal has it all.
No, we really do. Like we said, you have the feed to raise and feed those animals up, and you know, quite frankly, we have the grill to grill them up later. You know, so we have everything you need. Whether it's a Traeger grill, smokers, we even have portable propane backyard, you know, fireplaces that you can take around with you if you want to go somewhere else and entertain out in the wild, per se. You know.
And I thought you would have brought the hot dogs. I was hoping you would.
I thought you guys were, so you know.
No miscommunication. So we are actually at the Albany store today, but Jess, you have many stores in the area.
We do. We have 17 locations and growing across the Pacific Northwest, all the way from Mount Vernon all the way to Klamath Falls, Oregon.
And where can we find all this information?
So all this information on our website, www.coastalfarm.com. And one of the things we like is, you know, not only do we have experts in the store that can help you with questions on chickens to what plants to plant in your backyard, but we have all that information and more on our website with our blog and stuff, how-to videos, links to all those kind of things to help you live that outdoor lifestyle that you want to live.
That is true. And so, you know, farm to table, Coastal is that same message right here in their store. So if you have any other questions, please go to Garden Time. We'll click you over that website, and you can come out and find everything that you need for this season. Thanks so much, Jess.
Hey, thank you.